I have some good news that I want to share with you guys. For the last couple of weeks, I have been putting together an online workshop, and it's called Coding Confidence Exam Strategy Workshop. And it is geared for people who are getting ready to take the CPC exam. So if you're someone who completed a coding course, or if you did self-study, and now you're getting ready to take the CPC exam, this is for you. What it's a series of videos where I walk you through the whole process and show you different examples. And after that, you will have practice coding questions to do. There's going to be 150 questions that you can complete. I am also including material on studying the ICD-10 coding guidelines. Now, I've worked with a lot of people in my tutoring sessions, and I noticed that that's an area where a lot of people are weak in, the ICD-10 guidelines, so that is why I decided to include this in this workshop. If you're someone who's already taking my full coding course, either in March or June, or if you sign up for a future class that I do, this will be included with your program. So this is nothing that you have to pay extra for. What will happen is you will get access to this after the class with me is over, and I will talk to you guys more about that in our meetings. But for everyone else, this will be something that will be available for purchase soon. It's not ready yet because I'm still putting the finishing touches on it, but I should be finished with it probably by next week. So for now, if you're interested, you can add your name to my wait list, and I will email you when it is ready. Just go to the link in my bio and click on the link for Exam Strategy Workshop.